Have you ever seen this amazing floating split and wanted to learn how to do it? Well, I got you. You have to stretch your splits because you can see that you need to do a split. Make sure to always stretch both sides, because why wouldn't you want to stretch both sides? You want to look uneven, don't you? As long as you can do the splits on the ground, you'll have the flexibility to do this. Do you have the strength though? You're gonna need to hold yourself up with one arm, so you better have strong wrists or this ain't for you. For my right-sided people, you're gonna use your right arm and tuck it under your waist, kind of like doing a croc handstand, just like this. Your left arm is gonna be holding up your front leg. You're gonna have it over yourself and holding your leg. You're gonna pull your front leg up. Your arm is the only thing holding your front leg while you use your back leg muscles to hold it up. This is where your elbow placement will be. You can kind of just look, kind of hard to explain, but you can see. So yeah, your back leg will be held up entirely with your back muscles, so you can try doing some arabesque and straighten out that leg, engaging your back leg muscles. You want to make sure to do both sides, because why would you want to be uneven? Doing this split on a stool is actually way easier than doing on the ground, so find yourself a stool. If you don't have one, well, that sucks. Waist, you're gonna hold up your front leg with your arm just like we said in the last clips, and then your right arm will be holding up your weight. You want to lean your whole body forward so that you can get your back leg up. You want to keep your back leg straight and slowly use your muscles to make it higher and align the splits. Now it might be crooked, so you want to make sure to use your arms to straighten the front leg and your back leg to straighten the back leg and get it aligned. Hope you know what squared splits are, because if you're uneven, your leg will turn out like that and you won't be able to balance. When you first start, you're going to want to start slowly. Slowly try and find your balance. If your back leg is too low, slowly lean forward a bit more, but also keep your front leg up by using your arms to pull it up. If it's your front leg that's low, well, it's your arms that's holding up, so just pull up. Bye!